When an iPhone suddenly won't connect to a Wi-Fi network that it used to connect, then there are two possibilities. Either there's a problem with the network device or an issue with your iPhone itself. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone 11 Pro can no longer connect to the Wi-Fi network. First solution: restart your network device and iPhone. If this issue started without apparent reason or cause, then it's probably just a minor problem with your network device or phone. The first thing that you need to do is to restart your devices. Here's how. Unplug the router from the outlet, or simply disconnect the cord from the main unit. Leave the device without power for a minute or two. While waiting, force restart your iPhone. Wait for the devices to become active and then try to reconnect to the network. If this doesn't fix the problem, then try the next solution. Second solution: reset the network settings. After making sure that the problem isn't with your network device, then you will need to reset the network settings of your iPhone, as it might be due to some network services that failed. This is how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution: factory reset your iPhone. If the first and second solutions failed to fix your iPhone, then it's time to reset it, because the problem can be firmware related. So back up your files and data, and then follow these steps to reset the phone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. Enter your Apple ID password, and then touch Erase to proceed with the reset. When the reset is complete, set up your iPhone as a new device and see if the problem is fixed. I hope that we've been able to help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.